In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a proposal in HoneyBook from scratch. Mastering this process can significantly streamline your workflow and make client interactions more professional and efficient. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open a project. Start by navigating to the Projects tab on HoneyBook's main dashboard. Select your client's project from the list or go ahead and create a new one if you haven't already. This is where you'll be compiling all the pertinent information for your proposal. Once your project is open, it's time to create the proposal itself. Look for the Create File button, give it a click, and choose Proposal from the drop-down menu. Make sure to select the From Scratch option. This allows you to have complete control over every element of the proposal, ensuring it is tailored perfectly to your client's needs. Now let's add your services or packages. You can do this by clicking on the Add Line Item button. For each service or package you offer, input a clear and concise service name, a detailed description of what it entails, and the price you are charging. This section is critical, as clarity and transparency here can significantly impact how your proposal is received by the client. Next, consider adding optional sections to enrich your proposal. This could include photos, which can make a big visual impact, or detailed packages if you offer a selection of services at different tiers. You can also add notes to provide additional information, as well as terms and conditions to clarify the finer points of your agreement. Including these elements can make your proposal much more comprehensive and persuasive. Afterward, it's time to customize the design to ensure it aligns with your brand. Add your logo, choose brand colors, and select fonts that reflect your professional identity. A well-designed proposal not only conveys professionalism, but also reinforces your brand's image. Before sending the proposal, it's crucial to preview it. Go through all the sections meticulously. Check that all the items and descriptions are accurate and that the totals add up correctly. This step is vital to catch any errors before the proposal reaches your client, as these can affect your credibility. Finally, once you're satisfied with the proposal, it's time to send it to your client. Simply click the Send button. Your client will then be able to review the proposal, approve it, and even make a payment directly if that's one of the included options. This capability not only streamlines the process for you, but also adds a level of convenience for your client. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can create a polished professional proposal in HoneyBook from scratch that will impress your clients and help secure your next business opportunity. Happy proposal making!